Animals are weird, hilarious, and interesting. So let's take a look at our top 5 favorite science animal videos for December. Number 1, wolf plays with grizzly cubs. This video was shot at Glacier National Park in August 2007. That's a wolf eating a roadkill elk in the morning. That's a grizzly bear and her 2 cubs eating the same elk carcass later that evening. The next morning, everyone shows back up, but the elk carcass has been removed. This is where it gets interesting. After a couple bluff charges by the mommy bear and her cubs, the wolf appears to be playing with them over the next dozen minutes or so. I should note that these cameras were triggered by motion sensors, and the USGS has asked us to note that wildlife should never be approached, even when they look like they're having fun. They can still bite you. Number 2, coolest bat video ever. This is thermal infrared video of Brazilian free-tailed bats emerging en masse from a cave in south central Texas to go looking for dinner. Researchers from Boston University are using this infrared technology along with computer detection algorithms so they can get an accurate count of how many bats live in the colony. Once you know how many bats there are, you can estimate how many bugs those bats are going to eat, which in turn means that there are going to be less insect pests eating area crops. Number 3, dance of the crinoid. This is a crinoid, also known as a sea lily. It was videotaped through a porthole in this submarine while diving at this location off the west coast of the US and Canada. The project was studying the underwater mountains and aquatic life in the Gulf of Alaska. Crinoids mostly live in deeper waters, so they aren't seen very often by people outside of submarines. Until now! Look! There one is! Number 4, lizards doing push-ups. Anole lizards are big, huge fans of territorial displays at dusk and dawn. Sometimes they need to get the attention of other lizards if the light is bad or the wind is creating all kinds of visual noise. So to get that extra attention, researchers have discovered these lizards do a series of push-ups that catches the eye of their lizard audience and also you. Number 5, more coolest bat video ever. Here's more bats emerging from their cave. Here they are with detection algorithms applied, and here they are with tracking algorithms applied. The reason researchers are using this technology in the first place is that after dark and for most of the year, thermal imaging is the only effective and non-intrusive way to observe the natural behavior of bats. Here's a bonus clip, and I'm just going to let this one play through to the end because it's so crazy neat looking. This is even more thermal imaging of bats leaving their cave. Okay, so I guess we should probably stop watching bat videos and get back to work or whatever it was you were doing. But please check back soon for more top 5 videos. And for Discovery News, I'm James Williams.